I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for...
Bueno, mi gente, nos encontramos en este preciso momento, estamos en Urban. Este lugar es una zona de Barakaldo. Al otro lado está la RIA, está lo que es Erandio. En este lugar vamos a desplegar nuestro dron, pero para volar el dron aquí tuve que sacar un permiso, una autorización, porque como pueden ver en las imágenes, en la pantalla, esta zona es una zona de autorización. Entonces tuve que pedir una autorización para poder volar mi dron aquí, siempre y cuando también respetando lo que son las distancias del dron, no volarlo muy alto y manteniendo la privacidad, sobre todo la privacidad de las personas de este entorno. Por eso lo voy a volar aquí, porque no hay personas, y vamos a hacer una pequeñita toma de lo que es la RIA, que está entre la RIA entre Erandio y Barakaldo. Y además vamos a ver lo que es el gasolino, que es un transporte muy antiguo que aún funciona aquí en esta zona de Barakaldo. Vamos a desplegar, como les dije, y espero que disfruten de las imágenes que vamos a captar en este preciso momento. Recuerden, para volar aquí se necesita autorización previa. No se puede volar un dron porque el dron emite una alarma y puede venir la policía o puede venir la Guardia Civil, y si usted no tiene permiso y sobre todo el carnet de piloto de dron, eso es muy importante. Vamos allá.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile.